Well, hey guys, Juan here. Today I'm going to show you guys a stud finder. I'm going to be experimenting with a brand new stud finder that I just bought called a Franklin. It's this one here. It's called a Franklin FS710 Pro. I just read that off my computer screen. But yeah, this is what it is right here. It's kind of a wide one. And we're going to experiment with this one and see how well this one does in finding those wood studs that are behind drywall like this. Before we begin, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you can get notified for future videos. I'd love to have you back in the next one. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm getting ready to put in a pallet wall that's going to go right here in between these recessed lights. And I need to find the studs that are behind this drywall so that way I can nail in my pallet walls right into, or my pallet boards right into the wall. And so I've used a couple stud finders before, and this is the one that I had in my toolbox. It was one of these thin type of, it's called a zircon. I believe that's how you pronounce it, zircon. I mean, it did all right. Like here, for example, I made a mark here and here for the stud, and then I made a mark here and here for a stud. Let's see what this one does. Alright, so it does find it, but I wanted something a little bit better, a little bit more accurate, because there's been times that I've used this and it made that loud beep for like, 4 inches. Well, I know the studs are not 4 inches. So I tried this one here. This is the Franklin, and it's got a level built right on it, so which is kind of nice if you need to hang a picture or something with it. But the cool thing about this one is it's got all these LED lights at the top here. This is how this one works. You just place it on the wall. You don't have to slide it, just place it. And then there's a button right here. You just push down that button and right there's a stud. So you see how it lights up? Here, we'll do it again. So right here, you push this button, bam, and it lights up right there. It tells you exactly where the stud is at. You can slide it just like this. So right here is an area where there's no stud, so it shows, but you start sliding it right there, and now it tells you where the stud is at. So pretty accurate. We're gonna go ahead and keep on going. See, there goes another stud right here. So it makes it pretty nice, so that way I can make my marks like that right above it to show where I need to mark for a stud to be put right there. So yeah, this is going to be my new tool for my toolbox, a Franklin sensor stud finder. I'll have a link in the description down below where you can get one of these. They seem to work really well. They were a little bit more on the costly side than some of the cheaper ones that I bought in the past, but sometimes you get what you pay for. So hopefully this one will help my future adventures of hanging pictures or whatever I'm gonna hang and I need to drill into a stud. This will fix that problem. So hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, throw a thumbs up, maybe subscribe to this channel. I'll see you back in the next video.